Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. For all the designs today, you'll want to start off with a base coat to protect your natural nails and then 1 to 2 coats of a sheer polish. For the first design, we'll be making some stripes. When the base polish is totally dry, apply 2 pieces of tape to your nail, leaving a stripe in the center bare. When you're happy with the placement of the tape, paint a stripe of burgundy polish down the center of the nail and then immediately remove the tape. To make sure we don't pull up any of the polish, apply a top coat and let it dry completely before moving on to the next step. Place 2 pieces of tape on the nail again, this time making the stripe in the center a bit smaller. Apply some glittery gold polish to a makeup sponge and then gently dab it onto the nail. Keep going until the center line is totally covered and then remove the tape. The next nail is a simple but pretty glitter gradient, so again, start off with a sheer base and then apply some glittery gold polish to a makeup sponge. Sponge the polish onto the tip of the nail, letting it gradually fade as you go up towards the cuticle. If you're worried about getting glitter on your hands, you can put tape around your nail to keep your skin clean. Next up is some geometric color blocking. For this one, first make a triangular shape on your nail using tape. When you're happy with the shape, fill it in with gold polish and immediately remove the tape. Like with the first nail, we want to protect what we've already painted, so apply a top coat and let it dry before moving on. Make a second overlapping triangle with tape and fill it in with a burgundy polish. Again, remove the tape immediately so that the polish doesn't stick to it. On the next nail, we'll use a bobby pin to make a dotted outline. So first, grab a bobby pin and dip one of the ends in a burgundy polish, and then make a dot at the top of your nail. Do the same thing to make gold dots on either side of the first one. Keep alternating colors until you get to the tip of the nail. For the last nail, we'll use a bobby pin again to make a scalloped French tip. Start by dipping your bobby pin in gold polish and then follow the curve of your nail to make a string of gold dots along the free edge. Once the gold is dry, repeat the same process, this time using a burgundy polish to make dots between the gold dots. You can use the brush from the bottle of polish to cap the free edge and finish off the design. Finally, apply a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Which of these 5 designs did you like the best? Let us know in the comments below. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.